One day, John and his son went to the riverbank for fishing. Finding an appropriate place, John lowered the fishing rod, and soon a fish was caught. John tried to pull, but the rod was heavy. John thought that he had found a big fish, and asked his son,
"Go and tell your mother to start quarreling with the neighbors."
"But why, Father?"
asked the boy.
"Don't ask me questions. Do as I tell you,"
John said. The boy went straight home and told his mother what his father had said.
"Does anybody quarrel with such good neighbors? Good neighbors are more precious than jewelry and gems,"
John's wife said in a puzzled tone.
"Father has caught a big fish,"
the boy replied.
"What did you say? A big fish. Now, I understand. I will immediately go and pick up a quarrel with the neighbors,"
John's wife replied.
"But why, Mother?"
inquired the innocent boy.
"When your father brings the big fish, everybody will see it, and we will have to share it with the neighbors. However, if we fight with them, there will be no need to share."
Saying so, John's wife painted her face black, poked some leaves in her hair, and left the house.
"Oh, my God. Look at your condition,"
one neighbor said.
"Have you gone mad?"
uttered the second neighbor.
"You are calling me mad! How dare you!"
John's wife screamed, and in no time, an argument began. The quarrel escalated to such an extent that a sentry was called to mediate. The sentry arrested all the quarreling women and took them to the judge. The judge heard the entire episode and concluded that John's wife started the quarrel and fined her 8 coins. John's wife left for home in tears. She realized her mistake and thought,
"I could have bought 4 big fish for 8 coins. Today I have not only lost money, but good neighbors as well."
Deep in thought, John's wife was going towards her house when she heard a commotion. It appeared that some children were making fun of someone. She went further, and she found her husband there. She scolded all the children, and then they fled from there.
"What is the matter? Where are your clothes? What happened to your eye? And where is that big fish?"
inquired the wife.
"What big fish? The hook of my fishing rod got tangled in the weeds. When I tried to pull, the hook came off, hit my eye, and I fell in the river,"
explained John, crying with pain. Looking like a mad couple, both of them returned home sad and dejected.